Alright, so today we're going to be taking a look at a brand new pair of Jordans, but before we get into that, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and also song of the day. Gonna have to give it to Trust Fund Baby, a collab album with Lil Wayne and Rich the Kid. Pretty decent album, go listen to it. And yeah, let's take a look at these Jordans. Alright, so obviously today we're going to be taking a look at the Oreo Jordan 5s. I was able to get these on the sneakers app, and retail on these was $190. As you can see, I got a size 9. And if you know about Jordan boxes, you know that the sticker's actually in a different place this time. And they actually added another sticker right there. Normally the sticker's under here. And they actually added another sticker right there. Normally the sticker's under here. So it's kind of weird that they changed the spot. And obviously they added a brand new box for this release, which I really like. It really fits in with the Oreo color scheme. But yeah, here we got the shoes. So yeah, man, it has been a really long time since we got these Oreo Jordan 5s. I believe the last time these officially released was 2013. So yeah, it has been over 7 years, which is crazy. And every single time I see this shoe, I think about one of my friends that used to always wear it. So, you know, shout out Alejandro. If you're watching this, like, this is your shoe, bro. But yeah, let's actually get into the shoe. First, let's talk about sizing. I always go true to size on Jordan 5s. That just fits me the best. So my true to size is size 9, and that's what I got in these. Next, let's talk about quality, because quality is actually pretty good on these. The whole shoe is basically just a nubuck material, and as you can see, it moves back and forth, so it's really soft. You actually can't see it that well on camera, but off camera, oh, right here, you see, look. You see that? Really good quality shoe. And I gotta say, bro, the tongue on this shoe is nice and soft too. It's nice and squishy. You don't see that a lot on Jordans, so I really like that they added it on this one. I think that's actually how it was on the 2013 pair as well, but I don't remember. And then the inside is nice and soft too, bro. I actually really like this Jordan 5 now. Low-key, I wasn't gonna keep this shoe, but now I might have to. You also have that clear netting on the side of the shoe, and you also have it on the tongue as well. And then obviously you have the regular lace locks that comes with every Jordan 5. And then the shark teeth down here have the Oreo color scheme, just black with white dots. And then you have that translucent outsole on the bottom. By the way, this is gonna get really yellow, so remember that. You wear these like 5 times and they're just yellow, so that's gonna suck. But at least the top isn't gonna get too dirty because it's just a black nubuck. Going towards the back of the shoe, you have that white Jumpman, and then you also have that Air Jordan on the tongue. If you've been waiting for this Jordan retro for such a long time, you should be hyped to know that these don't go for much. I think these barely sold out, and they might still be in stores. Like I said, retail was $190. I believe on StockX and Goat they only go for like $220, I believe. The price isn't gonna change or anything, but you're better off just picking it up now rather than later. I just can't see this shoe doing crazy numbers, so you're better off just getting it now. So yeah, enough talking. I'm gonna just spin the shoe around for you guys. So yeah, that's pretty much everything you need to know about the Oreo Jordan 5. Amazing colorway, really great quality shoe, and I would say probably one of the better Jordan 5s that came out this year. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and let's take a look at this shoe on feed.